Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to withdraw Tether ERC20 in the CEX exchange. We go to the product section and then click on wallet. In dashboard, go to cryptocurrencies and in front of Tether, click on withdraw. You choose the asset that you wanna withdraw plus the destination method, which you can choose between credit, debit card, bank account, and alternative methods. We choose the cryptocurrency address, click on add new address. You choose the currency plus the network and in this section, enter your withdrawal address. Please pay attention that the address must be ERC20 withdrawal address. In this part, you enter the nickname, and if you trust this transaction, you can check this box. And finally, click on add address. We enter the amount that we want to withdraw, and please pay attention that the minimum withdrawal is $10 and the $5 will go to the commission. We check this box for agreeing to the terms and condition and click on proceed. You see the details for the withdrawal and click on confirm. In this part, you have to enter the Google Authenticator code and click on submit. To check the transaction history, you go to the products, click on wallet, go to the transactions history. You can see that our withdrawal was successfully completed. Good luck.